Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install VZ10-2442, the Widebody full carbon fiber front lip on a 2022 Widebody SRT. So we're gonna go ahead and start on making the holes on the indentions. This lip consists of 4 parts that you're gonna be putting together. We're gonna use some masking tape, which you could also grab at vicrez.com, to protect the carbon fiber when we do the hole. We're using the masking tape to drill in the holes and not ruin or make cracks in the resin that's on top of the carbon fiber. So we're gonna go ahead and start drilling in the holes. The screws that are included with the carbon fiber lip are gonna go in here. So you want to go ahead and pre-make those holes before you put it onto the car, so it's a little bit less difficult to just drill in the screws. So the same process you're gonna continue on the other 2 pieces. We're done drilling the holes, so now we're gonna remove the masking tape. Now we're gonna clean it with some alcohol. And we're cleaning it with some alcohol to go ahead and apply some 3M tape that you could also get at vicrez.com. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble the lip. We're gonna clean this part with some alcohol. The lip comes with 2 sizes of bolts, a small one and a long one. You're gonna use the small ones in the center, and you're gonna use the long ones for the sides. Don't forget to put your washers with the bolts. So after you're done with the centerpiece, this is how it's going to look. Now you want to go ahead and remove the strip of the 3M. Alright, so after you attach this piece to the 3M, you're gonna go ahead and align the centerpiece with this side where there's 2 pre-made holes already. And you're gonna use the bolts and the washers to seal in the deal. Alright, same thing you did on the driver's side, you're gonna do on the passenger side. So once you're done putting all the bolts and washers, this is how it's going to go ahead and look. All right, so now we're gonna move on adding some 3M tape to the front lip, which you could also get at vicrez.com. So we're gonna add some 3M tape around the edge and then some on the lower part. So the purpose of the 3M tape on the lip is to put the lip onto the car so it just holds in place while we put the screws on and the bolts and nuts to secure the lip. This is gonna stick pretty nice. After you're done adding the 3M tape, this is how it's gonna look. We're gonna remove the bolts, the OEM bolts that come with the bumper. About 16. So we're cleaning up the bumper with some alcohol so that the 3M could go ahead and do a well bonding with the bumper. Because if you do have a dirty surface, the 3M tape is not going to bond with the surface where you're putting it at because it's dirty. And any particles will make the 3M not tacky enough to hold. We're going to go ahead and start taking off the protector of the 3M tape. Before you put it on, you want to kind of slightly position it like where it's supposed to be, like from the outside. It's supposed to sit flush with the edge. Let it go, let it go. Do the test, do the test. Sheesh. Yeah, now we're gonna do the screws. So that's a wrap on VZ102442. The installation was pretty simple, so you don't have to take it to a body shop. You could do it at home with some jack stands. Installation should take around, I would say top max 30 minutes. Yeah, leave us some comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook groups and Instagram, and share your images if you do get the wide body front lip or if you get it for the narrow body. We also do have the black matte front lip, same style, which we'll leave the link below. It should be VZ102230. And yeah.